Are you prepared for an outage or hurricane? Make sure to have a licensed professional furnish and install your generator. Miami Generator Service will gladly answer your questions and concerns regarding generators, safety, and any other concerns a customer may have on generators. Call us now at 305-253-0405. We are licensed and insured and have a well-established presence here in Miami, Florida. We service the areas of North Miami, South Miami, Pinecrest, Palmetto Bay, Homestead, Coral Gables, Hialeah, Miami Gardens, Miami Beach, North Miami Beach, South Beach, and Coconut Grove. Call us now, 305-253-0405.